Moxie Media presents Asbestos Awareness Training. For more than a century, asbestos has been used in industries all over the world. It was praised as a highly versatile product, ideal for use in commercial construction, shipyards, and many other industries. Asbestos has properties that are unlike any other. It is resistant to fire, insoluble in water, and does not conduct electricity. It has been used as insulation for buildings and ships and woven into fabric used for heat-resistant clothes. Victims of asbestos-related diseases often do not exhibit any symptoms until decades after being exposed. Current medical data shows that approximately 200,000 people have died or are terminally ill from exposure on the job in the United States. And despite the dangers that asbestos presents, it is still a health hazard for millions of people who work in construction or perform housekeeping operations on the job. This program will cover critically important information that can help you recognize areas that may contain asbestos and avoid exposure on the job.